Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Review Zone. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Hyundai Tucson. This compact SUV has undergone some significant updates, making it one of the most appealing options in its class. The 2025 Tucson showcases Hyundai's bold design language with sharper lines and a more aggressive front fascia. The cascading grille is larger, and the LED headlights now feature a more modern layout. The rear boasts a sleek design with LED tail lights that wrap around the back. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious cabin that prioritizes comfort and technology. The materials used are high quality, with available leather upholstery and a modern dashboard layout. The standard 10.25-inch touchscreen integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, the available 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster enhances the tech-forward vibe. Under the hood, the Tucson offers multiple powertrain options. The base model features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 187 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those seeking more efficiency, there's a hybrid variant with a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine combined with an electric motor, producing a combined 226 horsepower. Hyundai continues to prioritize safety with an array of advanced driver assistance systems. Standard features include forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Higher trims offer additional features like blind spot monitoring and a surround view camera system. The 2025 Tucson is available in several trims: SE, Cell, N Line, and Limited. Pricing starts around $27,000 for the base SE trim and can go up to approximately $38,000 for the fully loaded Limited model. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson stands out with its stylish design, advanced technology, and strong performance. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or navigating city streets, this SUV offers a well-rounded package that's hard to beat. If you enjoyed this overview, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Tucson.